So today I'm going to make ramen from a coffee machine. Let's do it. I came prepared. Beef ramen bowl. I need to wash it in this sink, so let's go do that. The customer was by the window, but they're not there anymore. It's really awkward. So let me make my ramen. Oh, all right, let's do this. So let me show you the coffee machine. Espresso, yeah, whatever. You don't need to know about this. This is where the coffee comes out. This is a manual steamer, so I can just do that. This is an automatic steamer, which stops when it gets too hot, so I wouldn't use that. And that's where hot water comes out of. So I might have to do a mixture of that and this to make boiling water, so I can put this in there. We'll figure it out, you know what? Just watch me do my thing. I'll put you guys here, but then you guys can't see what I'm doing. Okay, that is a bit better, right? Okay, you're literally in the handle of a milk thing. I feel like I need a pot or something, because I should have bought a bloody pot. What's wrong with me? Let's just try and do it in the bowl. So I'm gonna keep putting hot water until it reaches almost the top. That seems alright for now. It's quite hot, which it's meant to be. So let's open this and put it in there. I'm waiting for a customer to come in and just put it just there. This is probably, apart from Coke, is it Coca-Cola? I don't know what they're called. Begins with a K. This and Coca-Cola, whatever they're called, are actually the best brands of ramen out there in my opinion. Let's try and steam this now. If my manager sees this, I'm actually probably gonna get fired, but it's alright. Let me get a fork. So I'm using a fork. It obviously doesn't seem to be hot enough to be marinating through. Lift this up. God, no. And put it in here. And that's directly on the noodles. Let's see how it goes. Ooh! Right. Okay, it's doing something. So this is what is happening. It's obviously steaming from there, you can see, and it's here. Yeah. Yes, this is the point where we just hope for the best. Ooh, it's actually getting soft. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like. It's a bit more soft now. You can see I can poke through it. Oh my gosh. I guess I should just continue boiling it. And I know I look stupid, but like, please let me be stupid in peace. Ooh. Okay, so the first method I was using, because that's the manual one, I was using latte milk, which creates less froth. Cappuccino, it blasts more air, more heat, so it can create more oxygen to make bubbles. You get me? So I had it on the latte settings. Obviously I should have had it on cappuccino because it boils more. Yeah, let me show you that. Brown is latte, which really doesn't do anything. You can see the steam in it. And then we have... I think maybe I should put because at this point, usually you put the seasoning in after it stops boiling. So let's... Okay, it just started doing its own thing. You can see that. It smells better than when I cook it at home. In here you go, babes. Okay, now we just wait for it to cool down. The fork is in the freezer. I'm so done. I'll put you in there for the band. Okay, so the ramen is here, looking delicious. I'm probably going to set you up here. That sounds disgusting. This smells a bit weird compared to when I make it at home. Okay, let's try. There's a weird pizzazz to it. Pizzazz? There's a weird pizzazz to it. You know what? Let's not ask questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you probably in 2020, to be honest. So